The Essential Teachings of Buddhism Explained. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the essential teachings of Buddhism. Let's explore the core principles that guide this ancient spiritual tradition. The Four Noble Truths. Buddhism begins with the Four Noble Truths. Life is suffering. This means life involves pain, distress, and dissatisfaction. Suffering has a cause. It's rooted in our cravings, attachments, and ignorance. Suffering can end. By overcoming cravings and attachments, we can achieve nirvana. There's a path to end suffering. This path is called the Noble Eightfold Path. The Noble Eightfold Path. The Noble Eightfold Path is a practical guide to ethical and mental development. Right understanding, grasping the true nature of reality and the Four Noble Truths. Right intent, cultivating positive thoughts of renunciation and goodwill. Right speech, speaking truthfully and kindly. Right action, acting ethically, avoiding harm to others. Right livelihood, choosing a profession that's ethical and harmless. Right effort, striving to develop and maintain a positive state of mind. Right mindfulness, practicing awareness of our body, feelings, and mind. Right concentration, developing deep focus through meditation. Key concepts. Key concepts in Buddhism include karma, the law of cause and effect. Our actions have consequences. Rebirth, the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth influenced by karma. Nirvana, the ultimate goal, a state of liberation from suffering and rebirth. Meditation, cultivating mindfulness and insight. Compassion and loving kindness, developing a heart full of kindness and compassion for all beings. Buddhism encourages personal exploration, ethical living, and mental development. It's all about alleviating suffering and finding peace. If you found this video insightful, give us a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Thanks for watching.